It's about 12:50. Not sure of the date it'll show up there. A little after lunchtime. That's a milk carton used for planting grapes in, by the way. I asked if there were any reptilian portals that are still usable, and the pendulum said yes, so I just sent to close any remaining reptilian portals. And this is what the pendulum is doing. If I were a little farther away, maybe you could see that it's not actually that strong. I had figured it would be stronger than this. Just jumping a little bit. Anybody who's fiddled with this, it'd be rather hard for me to make the pendulum move in this manner, especially this little jumping it's doing. And I'm trying to hold it steady. Anyway, I'm just going to record this little bit, and it started at, let's see, I'll find the time there. And when it's done, or almost finished, then I'll come back. Okay? Okay, here it's been just a little over 2 minutes, which isn't much. And as you can see, the pendulum is now spinning in nice smooth circles. It really doesn't seem like it's going to take too long. And as I say, I try to hold it steady, but usually I don't make a huge effort to hold it steady. I mean, the important thing is that it's working, and I'm not moving it. Okay, it's seems to be just spinning along here rather easily, closing any remaining reptilian portals. When it's done, to get an idea if this apparent craziness actually works, I'll ask how many portals it closed. Okay? We'll do that when it's done. I'll be back. Okay, it's almost done here. It's slowed down a lot. It's only been about 4 minutes. It looks like my camera is almost full, but I could record up to 4 minutes of video here. Okay, it has stopped. Now I'm going to ask, how many portals of the negative reptilians were closed by this? 1. When it spins in a perfect circle is the answer. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 is getting pretty close. 27, 28, and it's going to stop. It stops at 28. If I think 27, see, it's going to start spinning back up. 27. We just closed 27 portals being used by the negative reptilians. The only reason I think I can do this is I'll put it on my YouTube video. I need to make one called My Reptilian Experiences or something like that. And a couple years ago, I closed 19 portals. And I had good confirmation that they were actually closed, that it actually did something. That's what gave me the idea. It took a couple years for me to think of closing all other portals of theirs. But the appearance it's done. Okay, what did I say, 27, something like that. Okay, they are closed. It's been a good day. Good day for the light. So why on earth would I think that I can close reptilian portals? Well, as I mentioned a couple years ago, I closed 19 of them. I won't tell the full story here. I was just asking the pendulum about portals, and that's where the closest one, and it ended up it was a reptilian portal that was 5.3 kilometers from where I was, and the pendulum said it was at 170 degrees, which is south-southeast, and I found it on the map, and I ended up, I didn't think, it wasn't really my idea initially, but I ended up sending energy or taking away energy from it to close it. And I actually got messages from the reptilians trying to convince me, to con me into opening it, which I wouldn't have gotten if I hadn't really closed them. And also, like almost 2 years later, a friend came to my farm, and he's actually of Palladian origin. He's one of the Palladian volunteers. I'm from Andromeda, and I just started telling him the story without telling whose they were, what direction they were. I just started telling him. I started asking about portals, and he stood up and says, those portals are over there, and he pointed the exact direction they were, and he said, that portal's over there, but that portal's closed. And I asked him why he said that, and he said, I don't know. It just came out of my mouth. I guess I was supposed to say that. So this is among the strange things that happen to us volunteers who are here, from different realities, densities, planets. From my information I have, I was 6th dimensional. I came here from Andromeda. My planet there is named Fako, F-A-K-O. My name is IPEF, or EPEF in Spanish, I-P-E-F. Anyway, odd story, and it's kind of strange that this happened to me and I do this. But interestingly, I put out a video called Satan is Dead, which tells a lot of my experiences with these dark beings, but not all of them by far. And I was just telling this to my wife's aunt, who spontaneously channels. I mean, she starts talking and you don't know who it's going to be. It might be the grandma, it might be a message from some extraterrestrial or from light being, we don't know who lots of times, and sometimes they're just short messages. I just started telling her the story of my experiences with Satan and the Antichrist and things, which are on my video Satan is Dead. And she just started channeling, and it wasn't her, and she says, "Usted viene de muy alto. You come from very high. Has hecho mucho, pero vas a hacer más. You've done a lot, but you're going to do more." And then it was her again, and she says, "I don't know who that was." Well, I don't either. But these are the strange things that are happening, and it's all part of God's purpose for the earth. And believe me, it makes me really happy. And I'm really surprised that I'm with the things I apparently am doing. When I have time, I'm going to put up enough videos, and I think I've had enough experiences that you either have to believe them or you think I have totally gone off the deep end. And believe me, I don't think I've gone off the deep end. These things continue happening, and this is real, even though you can't explain it with normal third dimensional physics and logic and all this education that has been instilled in us by the basically reptilian controlled educational systems on the earth. Okay? But as I always say, these are wonderful times, things are changing, and I'm happy to have a part in it. And you will be too. Look forward to wonderful times ahead. Thank you.